M6 Dental 3D Analog Carrier Kit Rotational Collecting Box Laser Code for a quick identification. More than 90 brands compatibility, the good helper to place 3D analog. Can extend the service life of 3D analog. Lossless design of the threaded structure, make one carrier compatible with multiple 3D analogs. Medical stainless steel material. High strength. Not easy to wear. Corrosion resistant. The aviation aluminum handle is light, resistant to perspiration, chemical cleaning solutions, etc. SLA surface treatment makes it anti-slip. Produced by CNC machine, add force by flat non-slip structure and anti-slip groove. Place the 3D analog into the printed model. Fix the screw. Remove the carrier. The placement completed. It is very easy to remove 3D analog with the carrier. This carrier set make it much easier to place the 3D analog into printed models and reduce harm on screw channel. Extend the service life of 3D analog.